back to my channel. I'm back again with another weight gain video. In this video we have dates over here. Dates. 4 dates. So you need to open it up and remove the seeds like I already did. So you open up your dates, take out the seed, which is this.
Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Then these are yogurts, creamy yogurts. So you pour in your yogurt. It looks so yummy and to be so tasty. Your milk. We have your soya bean powder. Half tablespoon. Your peanut butter. We add in a tablespoon of your peanut butter. And lastly, your egg, okay? So guys, put on the
Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark.
So guys, this is where we are.
From the start, you're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes.
So good. So this drink is like a total package for your weight gain. It contains everything you need for weight gain. Your peanut butter down to your yogurt, to your soya bean powder, to your egg, banana. Like it's so rich. So I endeavor you guys to make this drink on a daily basis and take it, and I promise you see lots of changes in your body. Then to also grow your butt, you add little exercise to it, like doing squats, lunges, glute bridge, and lots more, and guarantee you're gonna see a lot of changes in your butt, your body, everywhere around you. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel already if you haven't subscribed yet, and also click on that bell like button close to the subscribe button to get notified on my new videos. Okay, you don't want to miss out on my videos. Like my videos are always educative and informative, so make sure you subscribe. So you can also leave a comment down below on your reviews concerning this video and how it really helped you. So don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and also I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Okay, so bye guys.
Empty streets, but